So we're in downtown Vancouver. We're gonna take some photos with the DJI Action 6. We're gonna go to a car show and then head back outside. So this is the annual Vancouver International Auto Show. Lots of cool cars. Honestly, I don't even know where to begin, but let's see what we capture. We're running the DJI Osmo Nano on my chest as a POV camera, and of course the DJI Action 6 with the Telesin aluminum cage. All of the photos and videos that you see here are edited in DaVinci Resolve using the Dehancer plugin. More on them later. I just want to talk about the Action 6 and how it handles photography. I can say that it takes good looking photos. It's just that there are two things that I want to point out. These are not deal breakers, but just something worth mentioning. There seems to be a hidden HDR effect happening on auto exposure and auto white balance. Let's say I set the exposure to manual at 800 ISO. It'll always give me a bit of a more natural look, but when I set it to auto and it picks the 800 ISO, the camera brings the highlight down and shadows up, giving it that slight HDR look. It's not a drastic difference, but I do notice it. It was present in the Action 5 Pro, and I can confirm that it's also here in the Action 6. And also, I want to point out that you still cannot zoom in photo mode. I would have loved to be able to zoom in photo just so I could compose my shots in the camera instead of having to crop them in post. It's just a strange decision that they let you zoom in video mode but you can't in photo mode. Well, anyway, let's go take more photos. Alright, so after the car show, I wanted to take some photos outside because it is spring, the flowers are blooming, and look very aesthetic. Let's see what we can capture here. I want to thank our sponsor for today's video, Dehancer. It is a film emulation plugin that instantly makes your footage cinematic with a few clicks. They offer a wide range of plugins, but my personal favorite is the Dehancer Pro. It has film grain, halation, bloom, film damage, and many more in a single plugin. Whether you're new to filmmaking or you're a seasoned professional, the Dehancer plugin can truly elevate your videos. Use my code DONUTS for a 10% discount on all their products. Link is in the description. So, final verdict, the Action 6 is good for photography, just not as a main camera. I like the image quality that comes out of it, but it's just the fact that I can't zoom in photo mode. It kinda annoys me a little bit. So those are my thoughts, and now I want to hear yours. Let me know what you think of the Action 6. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video.